Hey there, Rock Solid family. Janelle here, your relationship coach, and today we're going to dive into a topic that's as delicate as it is crucial: the art of apologizing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Janelle, apologizing is easy. I just say I'm sorry and move on. But my friends, a true apology is so much more than just uttering those two words. It's like a dance, a ballet, if you will, where every step, every move, every gesture matters. Imagine you're a painter. Your relationship is your canvas, and your words and actions are the colors you use. Now, when a conflict arises, it's like a splash of black paint on your beautiful canvas. An apology, then, is not just about saying, I'm sorry. It's about picking up your brush, dipping it in the color of understanding, empathy, and sincerity, and carefully painting over that black splash. The first step in this dance, this painting, is acknowledging the mistake. It's like admitting that the black splash is there on your canvas. You can't fix what you don't acknowledge, right? So own up to your mistake, accept that you've hurt your partner, and express it. It's like saying, yes, I see that black splash, and I understand that it's spoiling our beautiful painting. The next step is expressing regret. This is where you dip your brush in the color of sincerity. It's not just about saying, I'm sorry, but about expressing genuine remorse for your actions. It's like saying, I wish I hadn't splashed that black paint on our canvas. Then comes the promise of change. This is where you pick up a new color, the color of change, and promise to use it in your future paintings. It's like saying, I will be more careful next time. I won't let the black paint splash again. And finally, the most important step, making amends. This is where you actually start painting over the black splash. It's about taking concrete actions to rectify your mistake and rebuild trust. It's like saying, let me fix this, let me paint over this black splash with beautiful colors. Remember, my friends, a true apology is a dance, a painting. It's about acknowledging, expressing regret, promising change, and making amends. It's about turning that black splash into a beautiful part of your painting. I hope this helps you understand the art of apologizing. If you have any questions or need personalized help, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to me. And don't forget to check the video description for a link to my website where you can book a session. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep our relationships rock solid together. Until next time, keep painting beautiful pictures with your loved ones. This is Janelle, signing off.